If complete and proper wheel and tire care is what you're looking for, then the Pinnacle Concours Wheel and Tire Kit is for you. This kit includes Pinnacle's color-changing wheel cleaner, advanced wheel cleaner concentrate, black Onyx tire dressing spray to add the finishing touch, and our most popular wheel brush, the Speedmaster Junior, and a handful of tire dressing applicators and microfiber towels. There's a right way and a wrong way to clean your vehicle's wheels and tires. With the Concours Wheel and Tire Kit, you'll be equipped to clean all types of wheels, including factory and aftermarket. Each product is highly concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. The wheel cleaner can be used full strength or diluted 1:4 with water, making it an excellent value. A really cool feature of this product is that it changes color as it cleans. In addition to the wheel cleaner and tire protectant, the kit also includes the Speedmaster Junior wheel brush, which is perfect for cleaning behind spokes, in between the brake caliper and the wheelbarrow, and other hard-to-reach areas. The stem of the brush is flexible, enabling the Speedmaster Junior to clean where no other brush can. Black Onyx tire dressing spray is water-based, meaning it will not sling. It imparts a low-gloss finish that dries to the touch. We've included our best tire dressing applicators to apply the product. The best part about this kit is the fact that you save up to 40% versus purchasing everything separately.